If you are seeing this video, I bet you are so lucky because it is going to help you a long way. Yeah, this is going to help you a long way. I'm not here to give you tips about content creating or to give you hints about content creating or how to build anything about content. My niche here is comedy and entertainment, all about fun. That is what my niche is about. So what I'm about to say now will help a lot of people that are like me, because this thing usually happens to me and I'm losing focus. When it comes to content creating and you are not focused on one part, in the path you choose, in the niche you choose, you're just going to be losing points. Like you are going to be losing focus a whole lot of time, and you are not going to get one thing right about what you are set upon. If you're a comedy niche, stop looking at it. Most of us we get distracted most of the times. Just like me, I'll move away. Instead of me focusing on my YouTube, I'll move away from YouTube. I'll get on TikTok. If I see one video, I'll go check it. I'll do it. If I do it, I might be doing like, okay, I'll say, let me do like maybe 2 or 3. That 2 or 3 will take me a whole lot of thinking and a lot of it will distract me entirely. Same as Instagram. When I also get Instagram will be like, I'll keep on scrolling. I must scroll. I'll be planning like, okay, I'll just go there just to go and check people's content and make myself happy, make myself laugh, you get me? So I will end up spending 3 hours, 2 hours, and I didn't post anything. I will end up spending 2 to 3 hours. I might even spend more than that on making one research, and I have my video that I haven't posted. I may plan to post 5 videos or 6 videos a day. I will end up posting 1. I will end up posting 2. I won't post more than that too. And I'm always losing a whole lot of focus. I'm getting distracted a whole lot of time. A whole lot of time. I'm really addicted to content creating. I'm really addicted to posting videos, a lot of videos. But most of the time, I find myself doing what I'm not supposed to be doing. What I didn't even plan. What is not in my schedule at all in that day. That is what I will do. If I leave Instagram, I will go to TikTok, and I'll post in every place, in every social media. I'll post there. I will even go to Facebook. Maybe most of the times I'll post on Facebook. The content I'll post on Facebook is different from what I'm posting on YouTube. The one I'm posting on YouTube is different from the one I'm posting on TikTok. But most of the times, if I didn't see any content I'm going to post, I'll go to my YouTube, I'll post the same. I'll go to my Instagram, I'll post the same. I'll go to my TikTok, I'll post the same. But most of the time, when I get to my Facebook, I do another content entirely, because that Facebook is a brainer. Like, you just have to think well before posting anything there, because most of the people there, they are just like, if you are not focused on one content, you will just be posting every content. See, maybe one day one content go viral, that is the content you are going to continue to be doing. And if you fail to do that content on Facebook, if you post another content, people are not going to be watching it. They won't watch it. That is one thing about that Facebook. So the content I'm posting on Facebook is different from the one I'm posting on YouTube. And most of the time, if I post content on Instagram, I'll be posting something else, another platform. So that thing is like making me stress a whole lot, and it's making me think of a whole lot of content most of the time. Most of the time I'll be like searching for videos, reacting to videos. That will like make me lose focus on the content I even want to do for my own self. I know it might not be only me that is facing this kind of issue, because it is an issue. It's an issue we have to deal with. If you don't deal with it, you will only be wasting time on what you are not supposed to be wasting time upon. Do you know how many people are making it out of this YouTube? Some of us, we started together. I can say it boldly. Many of us started together, and if I'm seeing their content, if I'm seeing their posts now, they even have more subscribers, even more than me. It's not like they are good at it, or maybe it is just that they are focused on what they are doing. They are not like me. But some people are just like me out there. Yes, this can't be only me. Some people are doing the same. Some people are really doing the same, because when I get to YouTube, most of the time, the people that I see that even when I started, I have more subscribers than them. But because they are consistent and they are not losing focus, they are not getting distracted easily, their content has gone farther than mine. They have even started earning. They have even started earning on their own YouTube. But me, I have not earned at all. Me, I'm still here. Just imagine. So this kind of a thing, you have to be like focus and bind your heart, bind your mindset, not to get distracted easily. Because I'm getting distracted so easy. I'm just feeling like I'm very bored and I feel like I don't have anybody to talk to. I just want to come online and talk to you people. Yeah, so I know my comment section may automatically get interesting one day, but right now it's not interesting. I don't have any idea for my comment section, but if we can just interact and communicate, that will create a whole lot of good thing for me. Like, it will help my focus so much. It will help my consistency. It will help me boost my courage on this YouTube. I really wish to focus on this YouTube alone. But my Instagram is there. My Facebook is there. I don't just want to grow one and be looking at the rest empty. But if that is the point, if that is what happened next, I'm going to do it. Because I can't be battling for failure. No. Failure is not my part. No, it's not for me. Failure is not for me. So maybe after building one platform, I'll just go into the other one and start to build it up. Just as I'm working consistently on the others, I should continue working consistently on the other one as well. But stop losing focus. If you only keep wasting time, you only keep wasting time on what you are not supposed to be wasting time upon. You might think that what I'm saying is nothing, but it will actually help you. Yeah, because all this content creation, especially YouTube just take it like you're doing a very good job. Like you must take YouTube seriously, because if you don't take YouTube seriously, YouTube will not take you serious. That's just it. That's all it. There is no way you can escape it. If you not take YouTube serious, YouTube will never take you serious. Just take YouTube as your master, as your boss, because it's people that are earning. Like, there are a lot of people earning on this YouTube. There are a lot of people that this YouTube of a thing, this content creation of a thing has changed their life. They don't even believe it themselves. Maybe they start the content creation like just a journey, just a fun thing. They are working and they'll keep creating video. They don't believe it until they just see a message one day on their email like, you are successful. What did they send? What is that message like? That you are now able to join the partnership program, the YouTube partnership program. So you have to take it serious. If not that, YouTube will never take it serious. You just take it like you are doing a good job, like a job entirely. That is what you are going to take it like. Because it's only when you take it serious that you take it too serious. If you do not take it serious, that is when you be posting. Maybe you are posting one time a day. If you're posting one time a day, you have not gotten anywhere. You are posting one time a day. If you post one time a day, YouTube will just be looking at you like this. This is how it will be looking at you. If you continue posting like that, they'll just be looking at you. You'll come off face. You're going to look at you. You're going to come off face. So how long do you want to be doing that? So until you take it serious, you post consistently, you don't get tired, and you don't lose focus. That is when it will take it serious. So if you take it serious, if you are consistent in posting, and if you know what you are doing, if you are posting a good content, it's not until you post a good content, because I'm seeing most people that are just doing anything they like. What they are doing doesn't even make sense, but people are watching. They even have millions of views, they even have thousands of views, unlike us. So they just do what you want to do and be consistent about it. YouTube we put you into broad audience, a wider audience one day. So that's just it. Don't lose focus. Don't be like me. If you are like me, and if you know we're on the same page, make sure you stop it, because I'm trying to stop my mind as well. I want to focus on one. It's not easy, but just try, because it's not easy. Whenever I say I want to change, that is when you see something will distract me again. On that social media, something will just distract me. Maybe I see some of my colleagues, maybe that started after me, they're already making it. I'll not start to be thinking. I'll keep watching their video, I'll be on their page. That is what I'll be doing. It's not like I don't want their success, no. That's not it. I'll be thinking about my life. At that moment, it is about my life I'll be thinking about. That why do they have two heads? Why have I not be successful on my own? That is what I'll be thinking. It's not like I don't want their success, no. And so you better take your content creation serious. If you know you want to make it out of this content creating, you don't want your efforts to be useless, you have to take it serious from today and change your ways. Let's change our ways. If you know you're like me, let's change our ways on a more serious note. So this story is not just about any story or about content creation tips. No. So if you like this video, just make sure you subscribe and please share, so that YouTube is going to recommend this video to many other people. So that's just it. Learn to share, learn to like, and learn to comment. Let's engage in the comment section. Communicate with me. I'm very bored, so let's just talk, you know. So thank you for watching. If you stay up to this moment, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Peace out.